All right, what up, y'all? It's Matt. So I'm changing the gearbox lower unit oil in my outboard, and we haven't looked at the oil or changed the oil in this thing since like 2016. It doesn't get that much use, but we haven't changed the oil in this thing since I resealed the lower unit. And if y'all missed out on those videos, check out up here. I'll link to them up there. But yeah, I bet you there's not a drop of water in there. I bet you there's not, because we did such a good job. So we're going to drain this out, and I'm going to show you what kind of oil that I like to use. So let's flip y'all around and let's get this thing drained. All right, so don't ever touch that screw right there. That's for the shift linkage. If you already took that out, you got to take your whole lower unit apart and fix whatever that unscrewed from, because you got problems. So that's the fill and that's the drain. I bet you there's no water in here. See, no water. I bet you. Bet you there's no water. Oh yeah, buddy. Clean as can be. No water. All right, guys, I had to move over because I didn't want that oil running down my back. But basically, this is the oil I normally use. It's cheap. It's like $5 a quart at Walmart. But I only have half a quart left. ADW90, API, GL5. I only have half a quart. And yeah, so I had to get this. Was the second best thing they had. It says for outboards up to, or 75 horsepower and below, but I'm not too worried about it. You know, I'll change it out when I get some better stuff. But basically, if you want the best oil for your outboard is the cheapest oil, because you're going to change it, you know, more often. So that's my theory on that. So I go with this as being the best outboard oil because it's cheap. So you're going to change it often, right? If you get like AmSoil, whatever, and you put all that in there, you're going to be like, oh, I got the best. I'm not going to have to change it as much. So you get this and it's the best, and then, you know, you change it often. That's my whole theory on that. So as far as specifications, it says API GL4. This says API GL5. Don't think it really matters. This is what they use in Mercury. So we're just going to use this, and then I'll change it out, you know, later, whatever. It doesn't get much use. So let's pump this bad boy up. If y'all got the blue washers, they crush. They're one-time use, but I got these plastic ones, and you can get a couple uses out of them. They're awesome. I'll put links in the description where y'all can get them. Done. All right, y'all, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description. I'll link y'all up to a bunch of different outboard lower unit oils. And I'll link y'all up to some seals, some lower unit seals, because, you know, they're hard to find. So I'll link y'all up to those. Let me know what kind of oils y'all run in your lower units. Don't forget to drop a huge thumbs up down below if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more boat videos in the future. I'm out, y'all. Later.